I'm Kashi.
I'm Aniq. I'm Ellie.
Welcome to our unboxing channel. So today we got a kind of big box for 3D printers, so that's why I am helping them. Usually these two brothers do the unboxing, I do the reviews. So this is the XYZ printing DaVinci 2.0 DaVinci Jr 2.0 mix printer. So that's the, you can see this side how this is. So this one is 3D printing with Mode 3F for free. This probably is the software that they're talking about. Okay.
And looks like this is no, that's not the instruction.
This is the
That's a warranty card.
Warranty card? Let me show the warranty card.
instruction.
Okay.
Looks like those are the over
Tools.
here are some
The tools
tools.
and the material.
here's
So how to
the
build it.
wires and
Okay.
some other stuff.
Okay. That's the paper. There's a wire. Okay. So we can take this out on the side. This is heavy, guys, so I'm going to help you with this. So hold on. Can you hold it? This is the power cord. Let me show this. Okay. Hold it. This is the power adapter. So hold this. Okay. These are the two different color, green and white. These are the two this they have given us to start using it. So that's good. We don't have to buy right now right away. The good thing is this can use two different colors. This is the DaVinci Jr 2.0. So we can build 3D model with two different color combination. Looks good.
Yeah. If you see on the side, it looks cool because it's like red and then XYZ it says.
XYZ.
On the back here's some fans.
Okay. Now I'm gonna show. Can you on the side? Let's show on the back. I'm gonna turn it around. This is the back look like. Two fans.
What it sees.
Okay.
This bottom, this last on the bottom.
Let me just turn this. And have you taken the look at the front and the top? The front, I think this is where it will build it, and we have to put other material there.
Looks like you can open it from here all the way down here.
Oh, oh yeah. So let's let your mom take the look. Now we can don't touch inside, but we can open it like there. We have to remove all these and put all the instruction there.
Kind of see some of the instructions inside.
And put the instruction there, use the instruction, build this, and once we have built this, we'll come back and we'll show you, we'll try to actually print some model and show you how it prints right away. Right guys?
Yeah.
Alright, see you in a bit. Actually put that, those two spools there, spools there. The key was, make sure you look at this diagram. The spool has to turn in this direction when it opens up, this one. So it should go in here, this green one. So make sure it is all put all the way in, cut in 45 degrees. It has to turn in that way. See, and on the other side, make sure you read this directions. And this particular spool, this is the white one, and this goes into here, this white. And the direction for this one is this direction, this like this direction. So that's how it should be. This Apple Watch stand. This is the first piece of this from computer via the USB cable and send it to the computer. The printer now is heating up, so this is what it will build. We'll see how it builds that. So now it is building. It's saying it will take 1 hour, 2 to 3 minutes. I'll come back and see what it builds. It should build something like this, right? So this is kind of slow. Looks like it's building it. The base is white color. For some reason I selected the green, but it's going to take 20 more minutes to complete the base. Then I'll send the print for the stand for the Apple Watch. I'll see how long that takes.
This is just one part of it. There's going to be another part. So that's how it looks so far. So now we're going to take it out. Okay, it's coming out.
Will you show it to them?
So here, so that's how it looks. And that's how it looks. The front and the back look really similar. Yeah. And it's kind of blue here. The other part, the second part, has just been completed.
Looks like, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Okay, to hold it, let me take it out.
Yeah.
It's pretty loud.
Yeah. Even though it's really small.
So this is how the second part is. And
That's how it looks from the bottom of it.
I'm gonna close this.
It is.
So this is how it is. This bottom piece, right? And that's how it should come on the picture. One piece, two piece. This is how we should do it, right, Ali?
So now the 3D print is ready. So this is the Apple Watch stand. It turned out like this with the first and the second piece combined. So you put it like this. You just put this part up, forward with these two holes you put in here. Now let's put in. Now let's put in the charger.
Oh, that's good. Show me.
This is
I'll leave this one in this side. Yeah. Okay.
you have to push it in. Put it here. Then over
Can you show me
here
on the back?
in the hole, there goes the wire. So that's why that was there. Push it in a little, and it goes in.
All right. So this is how it is fixed, the charger, and I
You
can
have
put
to-
it on the table. Oh, okay.
You can put it this way, the wire, or the other way.
Okay.
And when you put the charger in, you have to kind of push it in so it like
Okay.
comes up forward. Now Ollie will put in the watch. And then since the
Nice.
charger is magnetic, it just sticks on.
It says it is charging. Thank you, guys. I did not have the charging stand. Now I have my own first 3D printing charging stand.
Thanks for watching this video. Please give us a like and give us a thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel. Bye.